Welcome to Pinvest TV, India's first real estate channel. Cryptocurrency, a digital form of money created, stored, and transferred on a blockchain network, operates without the need for intermediaries or central authorities. In contrast, fiat currency is legal tender issued and regulated by governments and central banks. There is ongoing debate about whether cryptocurrency can replace fiat currency in the future, with various factors influencing this potential outcome. Key factors influencing the future of cryptocurrency and fiat currency. 1. Demand. Cryptocurrency could see higher demand in the future due to its numerous advantages. 1. These include enhanced security, transparency, efficiency, and accessibility. 1. For those dissatisfied with the current monetary system or seeking alternative methods of storing and exchanging value, cryptocurrency offers an appealing option. 1. Its decentralized nature and potential for lower transaction costs may also contribute to its growing demand. 2. Regulation. Regulation poses a significant challenge for the future of cryptocurrency. 2. Governments and central banks may attempt to control or restrict its use and adoption to maintain economic stability and control. 2. Regulatory environments vary across jurisdictions, creating uncertainty and complexity for users and businesses. 2. These regulatory challenges could impact the innovation and development of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, potentially hindering its growth. 3. Adoption. For cryptocurrency to become a viable alternative or replacement for fiat currency, it needs to achieve widespread adoption. 3. This adoption relies on factors such as user experience, network effects, scalability, interoperability, and education. 3. The availability and acceptance of cryptocurrency by merchants, service providers, and financial institutions also play a crucial role. 3. Widespread adoption can lead to increased trust and stability, making cryptocurrency a more feasible option for everyday transactions. Views and predictions on cryptocurrency replacing fiat currency. The potential for cryptocurrency to replace fiat currency has been a subject of intense discussion and varying predictions. 1. Financial professionals' perspective. A significant portion of financial professionals, 76%, expect digital assets to replace a rival fiat currency within 5-10 years. 1. These experts believe that financial services companies need to embrace cryptocurrency, digital assets, and blockchain technology to stay competitive. 1. Failure to do so could result in losing ground to more innovative rivals. 1. Finance magnates' view. Some finance magnates believe that cryptocurrency has the potential to replace fiat currency due to its greater security, liquidity, and flexibility. 1. They argue that on-chain asset tokenization offers more transparency and liquidity compared to traditional fractionalization methods, making it a viable alternative for investors and issuers. 2. Investopedia's prediction. According to Investopedia, cryptocurrency could replace fiat currency within as little as 5 years. 2. They argue that cryptocurrency is more stable and reliable than fiat currency, which is prone to inflation, devaluation, and manipulation. 2. Additionally, cryptocurrency is more accessible and inclusive, potentially providing financial services to those excluded from the traditional global financial system. 3. Survey of finance professionals. Conversely, a survey of finance professionals suggests that cryptocurrency will not replace fiat currency in the near future. 3. They cite challenges such as volatility, scalability, regulation, and adoption. 3. They believe that cryptocurrency remains a niche market lacking mainstream acceptance and trust. 3. Additionally, its price fluctuations make it an unreliable store of value or unit of account. Pinvest's perspective. At Pinvest, we recognize that cryptocurrencies remain a contentious subject. While they may garner support, their volatility and decentralization will likely prompt governments to impose stringent controls. This is especially true as most economies move towards launching their own central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, based on blockchain technology. Blockchain technology, and consequently tokenization, is viewed as more reliable and trustworthy by fiduciary authorities globally. Tokenization of real assets, which involves converting physical assets into digital tokens on a blockchain, is expected to thrive in the near future. This technology offers greater transparency, security, and liquidity, making it an attractive option for investors and issuers. The future of cryptocurrency as a replacement for fiat currency remains uncertain and is influenced by various factors, including demand, regulation, and adoption. While some experts and financial professionals see potential for cryptocurrency to replace fiat currency, others remain skeptical due to the challenges it faces. As governments explore the development of CBDCs and blockchain technology continues to evolve, the financial landscape may witness significant changes. Ultimately, the widespread adoption and acceptance of cryptocurrency will depend on its ability to overcome these challenges and demonstrate its advantages over traditional fiat currency.